much. Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day today. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of some breakfast food. I have some bacon, eggs, toast, jelly, cream of wheat, grapes, have a Canada Dry, and I'm also drinking on a Powerade. I'm drinking on a Powerade because I feel like I'm really drained or whatever. I went outside for like 5 to 10 minutes, have somebody look at my car, and it's like killing. The sun is already beaming at like 11 or 12 o'clock in the morning, so I'm like feeling drained. I guess that's the sign I need to drink more water. But yeah, I'll be doing a little mukbang of some breakfast food as usual today. I ended up staying home today because I really didn't feel safe with driving my car to work. Because I think something's wrong with it. I don't know. I'm going to have somebody actually look at it and drive it around today to see what's the problem, so I can get my car up and running. But everything is going well on my end besides the actual apartment thing. I mean, not the apartment, the car. How's everybody doing today? I can't believe it's already freaking almost August. This summer went by super fast. Dang. Seems like they put alcohol in it. In a little bit, I have to be going with my mom. Well, basically how to drive my car to the place where the dude worked at, so he can look at my car, see what's the problem. It seems like, I guess since you're a woman or whatever dealing with dudes or whatever, dealing with mechanics or whatever, they give you the runaround and they just don't know what the hell they're talking about. So hopefully, I'm hoping this dude knows what he's talking about, because he showed me that my alternator wasn't the problem. Everywhere I went, they still been giving me a runaround. So hopefully, I'm praying they'll find out what could be the problem. I can just go to work. It's too much crap. It's not one thing, it's another. I haven't really been doing anything lately, just going to work. Today is hump day. It's in the middle of the week. Trying to get through it. Don't even seem like toast no more. Dang, stuff's not even cream no more. I don't have milk to actually put it in, so it's like, but hey. I'm somewhat hungry and drained. See, every time it never fails. Whenever I come on the camera, people outside want to make noise, regardless if it's night, day, don't matter. I don't even know what the hell they doing. It's been quiet the whole day until I can't turn on camera. I'm just over it. Good thing about it's almost fall. Well, time for the leaves to start falling and stuff. Oh yeah, I'm thinking about making another YouTube channel where I actually talk about technology stuff and Amazon stuff that I receive in the mail free. Just basically stuff like that, unboxing stuff and companies that I'm sampling or whatever. I always get a lot of stuff in the mail from different companies, different carriers from Amazon, chip companies, tobacco companies, just random things, makeup companies or whatever. I don't necessarily keep the stuff. I just give it to my family most of the time, or Ken or whatever, whoever wanted whatever, because I don't really use most of the stuff. Most of the stuff is just like randomly stuff. You don't necessarily get to choose what you want. So I'll be making probably a channel just for that and just unboxing that stuff, showing that stuff, whatever, and show you guys how to actually receive that stuff in the mail and how to get it for free. And I'm just basically cater to that and doing technical things or whatever. I like doing that. I enjoy doing that. Besides eating, I enjoy doing that. I basically like getting things free. That makes sense. I know the whole thing about getting things from different vendors from Amazon, it's like some people don't trust it. It's basically dealing with people that's out of the state or whatever, out of the United States or whatever, but I can vouch they actually do send stuff or whatever. It may not be the stuff that you want or whatever necessarily, but they do send stuff. I got things for kids and babies and I don't even have a baby or whatever, like formula stuff. Oh yeah, I do get formula. I got formula, a thermometer, just random stuff that I don't need. Most stuff just sitting in the box in the corner in my closet in my living room. But it's nice to get free things or whatever. I don't have no complaints on it. The heck? I do not feel like going in that heat. That heat is already crazy and hot. Thank God I don't have to work in dang Texas heat because it's horrible already. And I've been having my AC on auto the whole basically day. You have to literally turn your air on at 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning. Won't necessarily have it on all day and night. You know, with this dang heat, when I sit on the 3rd floor, yeah, heck no. Excuse me. Now I'm just like, only out driving on my mom back and basically looking crazy. Supposed to do this earlier, but I was just laying in bed, watching movies, or watching YouTube basically, and playing games. And then the mechanic or whatever finally answered the phone or whatever. So I was like, yeah, I might as well get up. My mom got off. Yeah. Boy, oh boy. I know if you guys are in the heat, if you have to work in the heat, stay dehydrated. I mean, what the hell am I thinking? Stay hydrated or whatever, because this heat is a booger. I was thinking about going to Hurricane Harbor again. The hell with that. I'm gonna end up dying before I go. Just in F this. I thought August is supposed to get cooler, but dang. Whew. I don't even know if they ain't toast no more. That's this. Whew. I need the burp though. They say they so-called manufacture this Canada Dry right by my house. I don't even know that. Weird. Let me find out. It's freaking weird. Dang. See, the maintenance never, it seems like never clean up the grounds. When I want to record, clean up everything. But really good, I don't be here during that time. Excuse me, it's just like cleaning everything today, I guess. I can see it is what it is. You're trying to attract new people. freaking good burps when I'm not even drinking soda or whatever. It'll be like random times, like at work, and people just be looking. It's strange. But hopefully you guys have a great week so far and stay out of heat. Be safe. Take care. See you guys next time.